So first, tell everybody what happened.
Oh my gosh. Today was my rest day.
Supposed to be.
Supposed to be. One of our scheduled cooks had an accident out of town. He just got out of the hospital yesterday, so he's doing physical therapy and pain management. So he's still out of town. And then our other cook wasn't feeling well, and sometimes life does what life does, so which is understandable when you have a lot of things going on. So guess who's cooking?
Gathering ingredients on the fly.
Yeah, we're gonna come up. I've come up with 3 dishes. And you know what's funny? This is our 1-year anniversary of doing pantry cooking. And this is kind of how we started. The whole concept was being able to cook on the fly, last minute visitors. People are coming over, what do I cook? Look in the pantry and figure out how to put things together. So you're gonna get a good dose of it today. The first drawing that we're going to do is just for new people. Let's see who wins. Okay. Oh, tickets are way back here in the back. I was saying, I know there's some in here. Okay, the winning number. So you know I told the truth. It's going to be on camera. 853-006. All right, wonderful. Come on back. Yeah. This is a journal, and it says, "I just want to be heard." Isn't that pretty cute?
My name is Sherry Uso. I'm a recovery tech at Inman House. There's an Inman House 1 and an Inman House 2, which is a women's program. I'm going to let Chelsea talk about the actual program from our flyer, which is pretty descriptive, and then we're going to have Cammie talk about her experience at Inman House. So she's going to read from this first.
Hi, I'm Chelsea. So I'm going to read just from this script here. Inman House provides a therapeutic day program and a transitional living facility for adults 18 and older. Inman House provides a structured, supportive, and evidence-based therapeutic day treatment environment to facilitate recovery from substance abuse or mental health problems. Inman House provides up to 6 months of transitional housing to assist individuals in achieving the goal of independent housing while learning independent living skills. Residents are required to participate 5 hours of treatment programming daily. The focus is on employment readiness, emotional health, chemical dependency education, life management, stress reduction, coping skills, and living skills. In addition to residents participating in daily therapeutic expression of emotions and wellness groups. Participants will also learn kitchen skills and will have daily activities to maintain the house. Inman House can provide a therapeutic day program for those requiring support from higher levels of care or individuals in retention or detention centers and behavioral health treatment and housing needs. Members of health homes experiencing homelessness while engaging in services may also benefit. All referrals will be reviewed for appropriateness based on referral criteria.
Hi guys, I'm Tammy. Some of you might know me from the community. I ended up homeless after losing my sobriety after 10 years, and I ended up homeless. The group at Inman's House has been like a family. They're very welcoming, including staff, including the residents. We participate on a daily basis in focusing on what we're going to need to do to take care of ourselves out there in the community so things like that don't happen again, and we can focus on having good, stable lives. It's daily, and the staff there care. The whole system that the Inman House is working with cares. So, as a resident, I can tell you this works.
I heat the water and pour it into the bowl. Once the water has boiled, I put it into the bowl and I just cover it. And then that way, while I'm doing everything else, it's cooking on its own. So that's time management. If you're trying to do a whole lot of things at one time, this is one way of being able to do it. So I'm gonna get a pot of water going on the stove, and then we'll pour it in here, and then I'll show you the rest as we go along. Everybody knows what this is, right? Cabbage, purple cabbage. So I'm gonna dice it up or slice it up very, very thin so that it will cook quickly. I'm going to use some peppers, nothing spicy. We have orange bell peppers that I'm going to dice up, and that's going to go into it. This is canned pork. Now we've used this in class before, and we made, I have some tortillas. So we're going to cook up this pork. It's already cooked in a can, so we're going to warm it up. We're going to put some peppers in. This is Tasty Bites. This is Indian cuisine, and it has masala, mushroom masala. The spices are really, really good. So if you've never tried this, one of the good things about this cooking class is that you get to try things that you may not have bought if you went into the store. Then you find out it's pretty good and you start buying it. So we're going to use rice cauliflower to give a little more texture and make it even healthier than it is. Okay, so this is all of the things that are going to go into our second meal. So we're going to add some chicken into this, and what it's going to turn out to be is like a salad, but we're using these noodles. It'll have some veggies in it as well. We'll get it all mixed up with a little, not Italian dressing, I have a balsamic dressing that we're going to use today. Stir it all up, put it in the refrigerator, let it get a chill on it, and then this will be the second meal. I don't want a whole packet of this. That's probably about a half teaspoon maybe. There's still quite a bit in here, and there's a lot on the counter. So let me get a fork. Everybody starts putting their plate back. I'll wait.
Oh, it smells so good. Thank you.
You are welcome.
The jaya, that is really good.
So here's our second dish.
Okay. Oh, it's delicious.